mean and variance of binomial distribution are 4 and 3. They themselves, they are saying that mean and variance both of binomial distribution are given as 4 and 3. From that, they're asking us to find out the value of P. Okay, let's find out that. Before that, they have given us mean value. Mean is denoted by NP in binomial distribution. So mean is given as 4 and variance is given as 3. So let us find out the value of Q. Before, let me find the value of Q now. I'll let you know why. Because Q and P both are related, right? P is equal to 1 minus Q. I'll substitute in the formula to find out that. But how do we find out Q? See here in variables format, NPQ divided by NP. That means Q is equal to variance divided by mean. How come it is possible? See here in variable format, NP and the NP gets cancelled, the remaining value is Q itself. So that means if you wanted to find out the value of Q, the formula to find out from binomial distribution is Q is equal to variance divided by mean. So that is equal to variance is 3 divided by 4, that is mean. So that is equal to 3 by 4. Implies immediately the value of P is equal to 1 minus Q, that is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4. That is equal, the answer would be 1 by 4. So we got to know the value of P and both are right. And how do we find out whether our answer is perfect or not? See, we have a formula P is equal to 1 minus Q, right? So bring Q to the left hand side. So what does that implies? P plus Q should be equal to 1. That means total probability should be always equal to 1. So that implies what? Simply substitute P and Q values over there. So P value is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to, once we take the LCM, we get 4. So then adding by the numerator is 1 plus 3, 4 by 4 is equal to 1, or 0.25 plus 0.75 is equal to 1.00. Total probability is equal to 1. Our answers are perfect. Let us take one more example for our clarity. The same problem. Mean and variance of binomial distribution are 3 and 4. Find the value of P again. So now mean is given as 3 and variance is given as 4. Let us substitute in the formula. Q is equal to NPQ divided by NP, that is equal to 4 divided by 3. So what would be our answer? 4 by 3 means I get 1.33. I'll get the answer as 1.33. Now see to that, what is Q actually? Q is probability of failure. Probability of failure. And probability can never be greater than 1. But I got the answer as 1.33. That means immediately the solution to this problem is the data is inconsistent. That means inconsistent. Because the information which was given to us is not proper. Always the probability should lies between 0 to 1. See here, mean is less than variance. So we got the wrong answer. But in first case, mean is greater than variance. Mean is greater than variance. So we got the perfect answer. So that is how in binomial distribution, mean is always greater than variance. Or otherwise, we can identify. See here, what is, let's take an example. N is 8. N is 8. And the p value is 1 by 2. Then q value is also 1 by 2. Now just find out n into p. 8 into 1 by 2 becomes 4. And variance 8 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That means 8 by 4 is equal to 2. Mean is 4 and variance is 2. So that means mean value 4 and variance value is 2. 4 is always greater than 2. So that is how mean value is always greater than variance.